What up? What up? What's up, people? Welcome back. Welcome back. I am KitukoX Kihinde, and this is ExitUs Gabon. What's up, man? It's raining. Back with another progress report. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you already subscribed to the channel, man, appreciate it, man. And we at like 550 subscribers right now. But let y'all know what's going on in Africa. Check it out. All right, man. This video, that's the counter right there where people probably be eating at right there. I think it should be a little longer, but to save on some room, we'll see. But we went up 2 more levels on the bricks at the top. Closed that gap. But I'm gonna show y'all the finished product on that in a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna go in the kitchen. As you can see, we went up 2 more levels in the kitchen. But you know, the kitchen ain't gotta be that big anyway though. But yeah, we gotta do the ceiling. And this gonna be the kitchen sink, gonna be right here. Got homeboy working right here. Homeboy. You're gonna put the sink in. I'm gonna show y'all the video at the end of this video here. But yeah, that's where the sink gonna be at. And there's gonna be another sink around the corner too on the inside. But yeah. All right, right now, you're gonna get an exclusive progress report from Amhoy. Make sure you subscribe to his channel. He's talking directly to me on this video, so check this out.
See, everything has been done. Everything has been done. It has been done. You can see that everything has been done. That's the stuff. That's the counter. Meaning the ties. Then only the window that have not yet been done because they need to turn it like this downside. This downside needs to be facing the up. The why the up is facing down because this place here is coming out. I'll make it on the other video. See it. The window is coming to fall. It will always fall. If I pull it out, if I pull this thing out here like this, if I open the window again, if I open this window again, like open it again wide, then this place come out, it's going to like, it's going to like fall down. So that's why I just allow it like that. So you need to change this place before they will arrange it. Look at the doors, the one for the doors. Everything is just the side up. That one will be done. There is nothing left. But you see the corners. You see the corner have already been arranged. You see everywhere have been sealed. The same thing here. You see everything have been sealed. Come down. You see that everything have been sealed. The little hole you are seeing is the hole from the iron door. So everything have been sealed. Same thing with the window. You see the window. Go down. And right there, just mainly the up, but that one is nothing. That one is going to do it. So you see how the work is going. That's it. So, like even the side up also, I showed you the other time. This is it. I covered it. The side up has been covered already. Just that. Then let me take you to the kitchen. You see the window. You see the kitchen entrance door. You see that it has been done. You see. It has already been done. Well, I'll ensure the kitchen. So we are now in the kitchen. That was the kitchen stuff. It has also been done. You see. Even the kitchen windows have been done. With the kitchen, we are just done. I'm finished with the kitchen. Apart from to broke this place to pass the pipes. But I want to pass the pipe alongside with the cable. We ain't got cable yet. We haven't yet buy those cables. We need to buy cables that I need to do the connection with it. So this place here, this spot here, it will be where the box will be, the connector box will be right here. The one that we got in the house. The box, that little box that we got in the living room. We're gonna put here, we're gonna put one here. One is gonna be here where all the connection will be. It's 2 levels, so they have to break it. They have to break it. Even the pipe they're gonna pass on the floor, they have to break it so that it's because the pipe will going down. You have to go down. So this is the sink. That's the sink of it has already been put already. That's the sink. The new sink. Brand new sink. But then you see this up, they have not yet plastered this up because of I was thinking about passing one of the cables here. I don't know yet. I'm still thinking to pass one of the cables here. That's why I said that I should let it be first. Let me see. I'm still thinking. But just a little, from this end to that end. There's nothing there. That one is nothing. You see, even the door, the kitchen owner has also been done. You see, that's it. Into of the kitchen door have already been done. This one has been done. You see remaining the up like I told you, all of them. But just the only one that the window is done, that we have already done with the window is this one. This kitchen window. The up also have been done, sealed. You can see it. I don't know if you can see the up. You see it has been done. Everything, the kitchen window have already been done, finished. Everything finished. The kitchen window have already been done. You see that? You see it has already been arranged. If you can see very well, I don't know. Even the up have already been done. Right down. Everything has also been done. So that's the kitchen sink. So we need some sand. We need to get some sand. We need to get some sand so that we can plaster this. We can plaster this place. This place is from the sink. We can plaster it. But why we should get the sand? We should get like 2 trucks because we'll get sand for the tiles on the floor. Because they're gonna put tiles. We'll get sand for the tiles on the floor and also sand to do the plastering of this place, because I have to do the plastering of this place. So we need some sand on the floor. Both the floor, that this floor is going to take a lot of sand. Not just only this one, the one in the kitchen, the toilet one, and outside. Then the back side, this back side, I'm thinking about us doing some veranda, a little bit of veranda, so that they can climb here like a step. This place here, you see, this spot here, so that they can climb. I haven't yet arranged the outside, you see. That's what I'm talking, like they should go around from there. You should take it like from there, straight up like this, straight up, right there, like the veranda. We're going to use it like a veranda, then make a little step here. Going to build another one level there. Get some brick again and build another one level there so that we go like a veranda. Then don't also forget the what they call it. We call it soccer way. Where the soccer way that I have to still dig here for the toilet. That one also is going to need sand and it's going to need the gravel that I bought. There's still remaining. So that the gravel is going to go here. They're going to use it when they want to do the concreting on that decking. The toilet hole where the toilet, this thing that they're going to dig right there. So it's going to be okay. So that's the work. So that's it. That's all. So I really need those cables because we really need to buy those cables because I need to, so that they can bust this thing at once. We can break this place and so that I can pass the cables at once so that they just finish with the plastering. That's what I'm thinking about right now because there are some spots here that I have to put some sockets. Some spots. I'll also that some socket needs to go there. So we're still looking on that. So that's it. That's what I just want to show you, and that's how the work has gone. That's the level of the work.
All right. Thanks, bro, for that progress report. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Appreciate everybody who subscribed already. And make sure your notification turned on so you can get notified when we do another progress report or upload video, man. Love y'all. Peace out.